while coding, while running the target side 1.5 times. For the target side, I thought that in the now, I thought that that was a stress. I messaged him about 50. Can I speak it?
Of course, 100%. How many? Copy. You can copy to different mount points. See, we discussed that something very important. Not necessary that your mount points of source and target should be same. You can keep anywhere. Anyone, any location. So wherever you have space, you can keep. So
all three domain answers that space.
Then you have, somewhere you must have, right? So you must have to make sure that one mount point will have that much of space. So you can split one data file into two. So if it is in source in user or two, you put it anywhere, but you have to have that much of space.
One data file is 1.5 TB.
That's okay.
And you want to split it in 3 mount points.
That's what I'm saying. Same answer I'm telling you. That's what I'm telling you, the same. That's not possible, I'm saying. You can keep data file in different mount point, you can keep, but not, you can't split. How can you split one data file? That is different, right? That's for backup, right? You can split the backup, but not the actual data file.
Yes, sir.
Arman cloning, this duplicate target database command is there. So using duplicate target database, you have to clone it. Not necessary. Just you need to have a backup. So first you take the backup of database, Arman backup database. After Arman backup database, you can say duplicate target database to. You can whatever, no catalog or catalog. This when you say no catalog, the backup information will be there in control file. So from there you can say, you can do it. Just you say duplicate target database to say test. That's it. First take backup and run. So you don't need to have even catalog.
So after duplication, certain articles will be generated. You have to manually fill and apply it. After duplication, so it will be up and running. So some data will be generated, some archive will be generated. So how to take them and apply it on the new one.
After cloning you can't do it. Once you clone database, once the target database you open now, that's it, finished. You cannot apply archlogs. If you want to do something like this, you want to actually, you don't want data guard. It's not data guard, but you want to maintain a synchronization with any other database, target database. So there is one way you can do it. You know how? You clone the database, but don't open it. Meaning what? Create the control file, but don't open it. Put it in mount stage only. And whatever the archlogs are generated from here, you can open it, but in read-only mode. Open in read-only mode. Whatever the archlogs are generated in the source, you copy them and keep applying it.
Manually register and apply. So record database.
So even it is not a data guard, but your clone like manually you can do it, all these steps. And whenever you want to open the database, you can open it, but once you open, again finish. You can't apply. Once you open in normal mode, you can't apply the arguments.
Again, setting down, taking in mount, again applying back.
No, not possible. Once you open means, log sequence number, and that will be out of sync. Before opening, you can open it in read-only mode. This is one of the ways.
Loading can be done in a single machine itself, no, on different mount points.
Of course. Only you have to make sure that, in cloning there is something, a port pool. It will ask you port pool. So you select a different port pool for your target. In the same machine you are going to have two Apache. So make sure that those two Apache are listening on different port number. Form server port number is different, Apache port number is different. All ports must be unique, that's it. So of course you can have multiple. Okay, so the idea about like the basic idea what I can use using RMAN, you have to use there is a command called duplicate command. Duplicate target database to you specify test and all that. You prepare the parameter file and then you have to issue this command. You know, we saw in online cloning we were creating control file manually. So better than that we should do it using RMAN. Because RMAN will also change, you know what? RMAN will also change your DB ID. When you manually clone your database, DB ID will not change. So you better do using RMAN. RMAN can change your DB ID also. Only for data. Application. And then that's it. Here also we are using RMAN for what? Only for not configuration, for cloning. After that configuration again you have to use auto configure, rapid clone, right? Isn't you have to use after that? Only that part, good portion. Creating control file, performing recovery. Okay, create control file, perform recovery. This part can be done through RMAN. RMAN can create control file, RMAN can perform recovery, and then RMAN can open database with result log. That's it.
So when we create a new database using RMAN, after duplication, if we change the name of the database, what we do in that application side,
So we must have to change the database name, right? Generally we change, we are cloning production to test, so naturally we are changing. So when you change your database name, and then definitely your configuration will change automatically.
then it will take care of that.
Yes, yes. Your context file will be created based on the new database name. And your application will be updated according to the new database name. So I think e-business suite upgradation from 11.9 to R12, release 12. Actually, this is this must be done in two phases. That's a very practical approach. How we must do it in two phases. That means first we upgrade database, and then we should go for upgradation of application. Both you can upgrade at a time, database and application. But if you look at the preferred method, and most of the organization they do that way only. First upgrade database, and it's not I'm saying that first upgrade database and later. No, I'm not saying that. Upgrade database and use it. Continue. Okay. So your database will be upgraded, let's say from 9i to 10g or 11g, and your application is still 11i. And use it. And after some times you can upgrade your application also. And when you are upgrading application, you don't have to upgrade what? Database. Already your database is upgraded and already it is tested. So there will be more risk will be involved if you upgrade database and application same time. More downtime, more risk. If you upgrade only database, and when you continue to use your database with your old application, new database, in terms of version I am talking about, then you have any technical issues, bugs, you can still fix it. There will be no more problems, more issue coming from application side and everything. And generally, like Oracle also recommends to first you upgrade what? Database. And most of the today you will find the customers who are using 11i, most of their database is not 9i, it is 10g. They are 11i, but they have already upgraded database to 10g. So that's why we will be discussing inshallah in two phases. Huh? So first, e-business suite database upgradation, database. Right from 9i to 10g. Or if you see 10g and 11g, you will not find any difference. 10g or 11g release to same. Whether you upgrade to 10g or 11g, same space. In the next phase, we will talk about these applications. That is exactly 11i, 11.5.10.2 to R12. That is 12.1. and after 12.11 we can upgrade to 12.13. And later we'll discuss that how to upgrade. This is 11i to R12, that is 12.11, and then 12.1.1 to 12.1.3. So anybody who's on currently 11i, they have to go three stages. First, database upgradation, then application upgradation, again 2. Upgrading of 11i to 12.11, again 12.11 to 12.13. Not direct 12.13. You just have to come to 12.13 from 11i. First, they must upgrade database to at least 10G or 11G, of course, both are certified, and then and also we have to look at certification. Yes, 11i is certified for 10G as well as 11G release 2 also. 11i comes with 9i, but it is certified for 10G as well as 11G release 2 also. You can upgrade your 11i 9i database directly to 11G. Now we'll go more in detail this steps and all that, but first in terms of concept, like how exactly this upgrade is going to work, and exactly what happens when we upgrade database, what happens to application, what is the impact of application on the database upgradation. So first you see, look at the basic picture here. 11i. 11i means I'm talking about 11.10.2 only, 11i, because only 11.5.9 and 10, they are only certified for what? 10G or 11G release. That means 5.9 and 5.10, they are only certified. You cannot upgrade directly, like say from 11i, that is 11i means 11.5.1 to 8, you cannot directly upgrade to 10G. Okay, so first you have to upgrade to what? 9i, then 10G. This comes with what is the database version? 9i. And they all comes with what? 8i. 11.5.1 to 11.5.8, the database version is 8i. So in 11i, Oracle people use 8i, 9i. First they started using 8i, and from 11.5.9 they changed it to 9i. You understand? Within 11i I am saying, 11i. So if you are on 11i, 11.5.1, 2, 3 up to 8, it comes with 9i, 8i database which cannot be directly upgraded to 10G. Like you need to go at certification, check this out. If you are not talking about e-business, I'm talking about certification. Now Oracle has certified 11.5.9, 10, which comes with 9i database, you can upgrade to what? 10G level. But if you only look at database, forget about e-business, so only database. Which version? This is called upgrade path. This is called upgrade path. You can upgrade 8i to 10G of course, but minimum 817. This is general upgradation, database path. Can I directly upgrade 8i to 10G? Yes, minimum 817. In 8i you have 3, 815, 816, 815, 816, these are 8i. 8i release 1, 8i release 2, 8i release 3. No, you cannot upgrade this to 10G. You have to at least 817, third release. This is only we are talking about database part. Coming to application, we have to check, we have to ask e-business suite team. E-business suite. They say that 11.5.9 and 10 are only certified for 10G or 11G.
So 8.1.7 to 11G can you upgrade?
No. I'm saying 10G. That is minimum we should be on 9i. 9i you can directly upgrade to 11G release. So from 8i what you must do? 8i you must upgrade to 10G. From 10G to 11G. Now when we are talking about upgrading this 11i to 10G or 11G, so it is like this. So, if you look at 11i, 11.5, 10.5, it is coming with 9i database, and now when you want to upgrade to either 10G or 11G, and then you can use it. The only requirement here is that here you need to apply IOP patch. This is another class of patch, interoperability patch. So when there is a change in the underlying technology, particularly when there is a change in the underlying database technology, application will same, application technology will remain same, your database technology is upgraded, so you need to apply interoperability patch. Your application is same now, 11.9, still 11.9. But now your database is what? Either 10G or 11G. According to that, you have to apply a specific patch which comes under what class? IOP, interoperability patch. And that's it. Now you can use 11i with 10G or 11G. Direct 10G, 11G release through. Of course, you can go and continue use. And now you can make use of latest features. Right? You talk about ASM, automatic memory management, performance, high security. For e-business suite, you can use all these features. Rolling upgrade of rolling patches, database patches, also certain patches you can apply without downtime if it is 11G. A lot many enhancement. One of the best features of 11G is RAT, real application testing. Real application testing, so many features now you can use for e-business suite. Once you upgrade to 10G minimum or 11G, now you can make use of 11 database features. So this is, first we will discuss this part. First we will talk about, we have 11i, 11.5, 10.2, and now we are going to 9i to 10G or 11G. Okay. And then the next part, R12, directly release 12. Now you see, like let's say we have current, our instance is 11i, and then we have to upgrade database, right? So first we have to clone your production. First you have to clone. Now already your production instance, okay? So your production instance is running there. Your Arduino is so this is currently what? 9i. Okay. This is currently 9i, and you let's say single root, suppose, and you have your applications running. This is a production instance. Your application, Apple top, okay, common top, and technology stack, everything is here. You need to first what? Clone. First you need to clone. And now this is the test environment. In this test environment, what you have to do? You have to do the cloning. This is a test environment. So what is your current RDBMS home? Your current RDBMS home is what? RDBMS home. Exactly, you can say 9206. And this is your production database. And then what is your application? 11i. 11i means, now what is the technology stack? In 11i you also have what? You have what? Apple top is there, common top is there, Apple top, common top, and there is no INC top, and your technology stack, your tech stack, and then you have what? Tech stack. Your tech stack. Actually your tech stack, if you see, your tech stack is this. Your tech stack. 806 home and IIS home. IIS home, which is 8i, 817. And then your second tech stack is 806 home, which is 8, Oracle 8. Two technology stack. And then under this, currently your services are running. Here what your service is running? Apache service is running, and it is not OC4J, it is JServe instances. JServe instead of OC40. And here under 806 you have form service, report service is also there, concurrent manager service, all this running, application service, listener, all this. This is your 11. Upper top, common top, tech stack, and your tech stack is IAS home and 806 home. IAS home version is 8i, 806 is 8. So this is what similar to like your 806 is what? 10.1.2. 10.1.2. So in R12 we have what? In R12, compared with 11i, what is that? 11i what you have actually? 806. Here what we have? 10.1. Here it is 10.1.3, here it is IAS. And your configuration files are mixed here only. Your configuration file inside Apple top, inside common top and tech stack. There is no separate IMS to have. So this is your exactly, this is your 11, 11, 5, 10, 20. And this is your 988. So application type DB type. Right? So these are your file system. Apple top, front, tech stack, iOS home, 806 home, services. These are services. Here your instance is running, services, listening. This is total 11i, and we are going to continue 11i, but we will upgrade this database to 10G, could be 11G also. Now here we'll discuss in this picture, and then you will see the major steps. First you see the major steps here. What exactly we are going to do first. Before we install this, first you need to do what? You need to apply IoT patch, the patch number and all that. Application patch, IoT, interoperative application patch. This is the application patch. Using auto patch you have to apply IoT patch. So you are making your application ready to support what? 10G. Currently it is 9.9. And now see here, what we have to do, here we have to install 10G binaries, 10G database binaries. It could be 11G also, but here practically they are using 10G here. 10G, or if you want 11G, 11G also. 10G database binaries, 10G database binaries. Install 10G release to RDBMS binaries. So here you are installing the software. So what is the new RDBMS home? Into 0. And you can apply the latest password, or the minimum password should be at least 3, and then apply latest password and apply the password. apply the latest password. But you have to check whether this password, generally everything will be have to change. So let's say password. Apply the latest password and interior patches. Interior patches, you know, that individual database patches. And then upgrade the database. You know, I tell you, the way you people have done already upgradation, 9i to 10G or 10G to 11G, whatever, or directly 9i to 11G, the same steps, no change. Same. Okay, same steps. There are two methods are there, right? A manual method and using a automated tool method. Like there is a script called cat upgid. Using that script called cat upgid, you can upgrade database, or you can run a utility. You can use this tool called DBUA, Database Upgrade Assistant. Database Upgrade Assistant. Better you use this tool, DBUA. Better you use this tool, DBUA, Database Upgrade Assistant. So here, let's see what we have to do. Okay. So now this is upgrade. These are all 3 steps. 3 steps. So these all are 3, and now this is upgrade. The upgrade step, actual upgrade, now upgrade, pre and upgrade. And we are only talking about database, no application. So now the key concept what you have to understand, look at that. This is the main concept what you have to understand is this. See, what we are going to do here, from this, you know the detail itself, like we copy the parameter file, right, from here. Same. You need to copy the parameter file from here to here, right? Which file you copy? Parameter file. And you have to make changes in the parameter file. Because there are changes are there from 9i to 10G. There are some changes are there from parameters. But I'll tell you something important here. In e-business suite database, whatever parameter we are going to change, we have to look at whether it is like recommended by e-business suite or not. So we need to follow to change database parameter. This document you have to follow. Recommended e-business suite parameters, or this is a list of recommended parameters list 396009.1 or R12. This is your support document ID 396009.1. This document ID will tell you all the list of recommended parameters. E-business suite database parameters. So you have to follow that document. R12. That's a document ID. Huh? You know, to me, technically speaking, when you upgrade database, where is the major impact coming? Technically speaking, parameters, I say. Then second, application. That is not onto our head, but application, impact on application. That application people will take care. But technical impact, you know, upgradation means, yeah, we are getting a lot of new features, new utilities and all that. So there is a lot of changes in what? Parameters, initialization parameters. So what are the parameters have been declared as obsolete? Deprecated, list of deprecated parameter, list of deprecated parameter, list of obsolete parameter. Certain parameters will be made hidden, underscore parameter. How? One single document. See, your job is easy. One document. You just follow one single document. It is going to list out what are the parameters. You should not use it. Now you upgraded your 9i database to 10G, take out this parameter, remove this parameter. If you keep, there will be a problem. Everything is mentioned. Or you are using this parameter, or there is a careful, this parameter has a bug. Everything, one single document. Single document. Okay? And the document get updated. Even after 6 months from now or 1 year, same document you have to follow, even after 1 year. Okay, that one document, it is talking about all the parameters. We copy the parameter file, we make changes in the parameter file following the document, we start the instance here, and then we upgrade database. How do you upgrade database? We should be db from 10G home or from 11G home, you run dbua, and dbua is going to upgrade what? Your database. And this is exactly upgradation step, and then last post upgrade. After post upgrade, you can post upgrade, and post upgrade, I'll tell you what are post upgrade steps are there. Then you can use these then you can open this database 10G, this database under 10G home, and you can connect this 11i application to this 10G. After the post steps, okay, first you see here. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are running dbua, and database will be upgraded. And after, now we have to look at that, how is it possible that 11i is connecting to 10G. So this is the main key concept you have to understand. Look at this database, inside database. This is the main concept you have to understand. See, your data dictionary version, your AOL version, AOL, and then your data model, e-business suite, AOL, e-business suite, data model version. This is very important. Your data dictionary, before upgradation, your data dictionary, it was 9.2, your AOL and your e-business suite data model, both 11.5 and 10.2, that is 11.9. And when you run dbua, the database will be upgraded, only this data dictionary will get upgraded. Now this is going to be 10.2 or maybe 11.2, that's it. Now there is only one change to this. And now can this 11i application connect to this database 10G? Yes, of course, because your data model is still 11i. There is no change. 11.5, 10.2, 11.5, 10.2. There is no change in data model. There is no change in anything. Only database technically upgraded. You upgrade your 9i database to 10G, but no, inside there is no change. Not even a single change, I'm saying, single change. All your schemas, which you know very well, GLA, schema same. There is no change in schema, there is no change in even a single table, there is not even a single change in a single table, even not even a column change. So that's why it is possible that can 11i connect to 10G? Yeah, 11i connect to 10G, 11G as long as the data model is same. So database is getting upgraded. Now you look at that, what is happened? Here your data dictionary upgraded, your binary is upgraded. And after the last post step and all that, we are going to remove this. And later we will remove it. And now you got new binaries, under new binaries, new utilities. Right? Now you have ASM is there, you have automatic memory management is there, ASM, automatic storage management, now you can use it, ASM. Now you can migrate your database to ASM after 10G. You can use AWR, you can use now. So this 10G binaries will give you new features and that data dictionary can be. But inside that there is no change application. So only upgrading database will have no impact on application. Finish. Database upgraded, and I am going to tell you post steps. Post steps. I don't see only IOP patch extra here. I don't think there is any extra thing here. The way you generally upgrade database, it is 100% same. Same or not? Isn't it? Is there any extra thing here? Only what? IOP patch is extra. Correct? Only IOP patch extra here. The remaining all steps are same. How do you upgrade 9i? You install the new binaries, new software, and you run dbua. That's it. You want to upgrade, you install 11G, and from 11G home you run dbua, and you upgrade your 9i database. dbua will upgrade the database. That's it. It is going to run all the script internally, catalog, catproc, and all that, and it will upgrade the data dictionary. Parameter. See, I said that first you install 10G, and then upgrade. How do you install 10G? So using this OUI Oracle Universal Installer. So then these binaries, this 10G is not auto-config enabled. It is not auto-config enabled, and it has got no apps util folder. It is not auto-config enabled. So we have to make this auto-config enabled. How to make this auto-config enabled? You know, first 4 steps. First, create apps util directory. So how you create apps util? There is a utility called ad mk apps util.fun. Using this utility, you create this apps util folder in Oracle Home apps util. Isn't it? There is a folder is there or not? Apps util. But if you, in general homes, do you find that? Normally in Oracle Home, you don't find it. So this here you find. Why? Because this home is installed by RapidPiece auto installer. So auto installer, RapidPiece auto installer. The auto installer will make your Oracle Home auto config enabled. How? By creating apps util directory, and by creating the context file, XML file. Understand? And here you can see the detail itself, like then you have to create that XML file. You have to run auto config. Okay. So this XML file, then run auto config. Then this environment file will be created. Environment file where it is created under Arduino. Now your this new Oracle Home, new binaries is auto config enabled, and now it can serve application. Now it can serve applications. 4 steps. So in the 4 steps, these are the steps. After you run DBA, so you have to create apps util directory, context file, run auto config. These are the steps you use. And now I can say fully application is done. After that, I can say only testing is required. Testing. Now you have to connect this level application to this 10G database and test. Now you should not have any issue, any problem. If everything is okay, now you upgrade your production. This is a test environment. If everything is okay, go and upgrade your production. And I said finally you have to totally remove this. And you will be able to start your instances here, your production, your instance prod. And here of course you have to configure listener that I didn't discuss here. Listener configure using netca, you have to configure your listener. That is the listener configuration is also same steps here. You want to write down, just write down configure listener for the new home, that is always there. And there will be no change here. This will remain 8i. Exactly, it is 817, which is IS home, and 806.8 it will remain 8. Okay. And this version, this is form 6i, report 6i. Your Apache is 1.3. Your JDK 1. They are using 1.3, 1.2, 1.3. Okay. It will remain the same. Okay. All that will same. There will be no change. You have any questions? Now I am going to talk about the second phase. Now we are going to talk about this 11i upgrade to R12. That time you don't have to do anything here because this is already upgraded. And I repeat again, whether you upgrade to 11G also same, DBA only. Directly you can upgrade to 11G also. Directly you can upgrade, of course, from 99 to 11G, right? 99 to 11G, yes. So you can directly upgrade to 11G also. So this is a part 1 phase 1. So next application. So let me write down clearly again, please. Now we are going to talk about this 11 to R12. So currently we have our databases already 10G. So our RDBMS home is now already 10G or 11G. But your applications are 11, right? Your applications. So your application is like 11, Apple Top, Common Top, and then you have this. Let me write down something. What we have is IS Home, IS Home. This is your technology. Your applications. The major steps I'm talking about. You understand the key concept first, huh? So our database is already 10G, our application is 11i. This is 11i, 11.5 and 22. This is your vCAD. Now what we have to do first? The data extra is 10.04. Your AOL is, sorry, was that 11.5, 10.2. Your e-business suite data model, in short, data model is also what? 11.5 and 10.2. Now, first, what we have to do, we have to install R12 software. We have to install R12 software in upgrade mode. Select upgrade option. Install R12 in upgrade option. When you install R12 software in upgrade option, with upgrade option or in upgrade mode, then it is going to install the software without database. Because we already upgraded database. Now we want to upgrade application. So we want new application. So we don't want database. So how to install the software? How to install the software without database? You have to select upgrade option. So when you select upgrade option, it doesn't mean that it is going to upgrade. No, it is not going to upgrade. It will install the same software without database. So that's why we say that first is install, with all our 3 steps again, install R12 software. So this is we are doing 12. 1. Install R12 software in upgrade mode. Or upgrade option. You select upgrade option. So when you install this R12 software, your R12 software will be installed here. Now, this is your Apple Top, your Common Top, and then what are the homes are there? Then one 3 home, right? Then one 2 home, and plus also you will be having your IoT. So you must understand that in this process of upgradation, we are only upgrading database, but application we are not upgrading. Yeah, exactly in the sense, the current application we are not upgrading. Your current GL, AP, AR we are not upgrading. We are installing new and we are going to throw the old. Exactly, upgradation is install new application and throw the old. That's it. Okay. So now when you install R12, fresh installation R12 in upgrade mode, so here you will be getting GL, AP, AR module, and plus you will be getting new modules also, new extra modules, or maybe enhancement to the current modules. And there is a lot of changes are there. Interface has changed totally. So current forms cannot be. So all your current forms, current code, current HTMLs, current Java classes, everything is here. New. With enhancement, changes. Complete new, fresh is total new installation. Okay. This is exactly your release 12. Done installation. But one thing, if you also install your RDBMS home, you can RDBMS home you have to remove it. You don't need. Why? Because now it is thinking that you are going to upgrade database now. No. We have already upgraded. That's why we don't need RDBMS home. You can remove that RDBMS home. What is the next part? We have done the installation. The detailed steps are there. Huh? The detailed steps I will tell you. Like the detailed steps for application also. We are upgrading 11i, 11, 11.5.10.2 to R12. So before you upgrade, your AD mini pack should be these and these detailed steps are there. Okay. The major steps, you know what is there? You install R12 software in upgrade option. With upgrade option, in upgrade, it's called upgrade mode or with upgrade option, and then you run maintenance pack. That's it. Major maintenance pack. Major maintenance pack. Two things. That's it. Install and run maintenance pack. Run the maintenance pack. The upgrade patch. The upgrade patch. I told you that whenever you install the software, it comes with what? Upgrade patch. The maintenance pack is there. Okay. Now we have just installed. I am asking people, after just installation, can we use this application with this 10G database? This is 10G and this is R12. Fine. Can we connect this R12 application to this 10G database? Huh? Yeah, right. Just after installation, we install R12 software. Now this is R12 and this is 10G database. So can we connect? Before, don't look at me. Look at it on the board here, and then tell me yes or no. Can we? What? We can connect. The more important topic is move fresh to the door. Fast. Can we? No. Why? Clear, na? If somebody asks, can I connect R12 application? Can you? Don't say yes immediately. No. You have to say, yeah, R12 10G, fine. But inside that 10G database is AOL. What is the version of AOL and data model? That you have to say. No, you cannot. R12 application support 10G, of course, but here not in this case. Why? Because of your data model and AOL. So you look at that. This is what R12, and your data model is what 11. So you have to upgrade what? Data model and AOL, and then you can connect. So see here, the major steps are there. So here there is a patch is there. From here you have to run that big upgrade patch. The maintenance one called the upgrade patch. And this patch should only modify database. So how do you run this auto patch utility? We should only change the data model. You know that AD patch option is equal to no copy portion, no generate portion. Because it has to upgrade only data model, not application. Because application we have installed. So you run which patch? Auto patch. And look at that. It is going to make this what? 12, 1, 1. Just one single patch. Just imagine. One single patch you have to run. Major, yeah, there are detailed lot of steps. Are the major 2 steps. Install R12 software in upgrade mode. Run the big upgrade patch, the maintenance pack, which is going to upgrade. After that, can I? Yes. Can I connect 11i? No. 11i? No. Because it is 12. 12 R12 application? Yes. So you must understand that when we are upgrading database, what is happening? This is what I want to give you this picture. When you are upgrading database, what is happening? When you are upgrading application, what is happening? Okay. You're getting my point, son? You read 2-3 days, you read 100 pages. 100 pages, huh? Or 200-300 pages. This one picture is equivalent to 100 pages you read. One picture you understand, 3-4 days you don't have to spend. 100 pages you read, it is equivalent. One single picture you understand. And one single picture. You understand? What is exactly the meaning of your, what happened when you upgrade database? Okay. And then when you apply maintenance pack, what is happening? Maintenance. So maintenance pack is upgrading what you got? Data model and table. After maintenance pack it is now 12.1. Because this is what? 12.1. 12.1 is 12.1 and this is also 12.1. And after this maintenance pack, you can connect this R12 application to this particular 10G database. And last final, of course, testing it. Final, what you are going to do with this? Isn't it? That's what we don't want 11 applications. So actually upgradation of application. So what we are upgrading only database. Application we never upgrade. Means never upgrade means current application we never upgrade. We install new application and throw the old application. And the detailed steps also we will discuss. Before you are going to discard the old application, you think that do we need to get something from that old 11 application to R12? You people tell me. You tell me. Do we need to get anything from that 11i to R12 application before we are going to throw that application?
Certain custom forms.
Very good. If there are custom forms, custom code, before you discard that, you have to migrate what? Migrate what? If required, migrate custom codes, custom files or custom code. Particularly this file is very important, this custom.pll. Like this custom.pll.
Same location, sir?
Yeah, you same AU topology, same thing. So what you have to do, you copy this FMB and PLL from 11i to R12 and you recompile them, regenerate them. That's it. What was the version? Forms 6i, now 10G. Forms 6i, now forms 10G. So from 6i you copy FMB and you compile under forms 10G. That's it.
So that is purely a manual process. We need to run something to get a different code.
This is we have to, if we have not, our functional guys will tell us how much customizations you have to bring from 11i to R12. Okay, according to business requirement. Sometimes some custom file on custom reports may be discarded because in R12 they may get better options. So they say no, we don't want. So it's all about, they will tell you these are the forms, these are the custom files, these are the custom code, you have to migrate. And it's a simple process, just copy and recompile, regenerate. That's it.
Sir, this is a post installation step.
Yes, a part of post. Naturally, post.
After application is done.
After you run maintenance pack. Upgradation means running maintenance pack is called upgrade steps. Upgradation. Running. Yes. Please ask me any question you didn't understand. I'll repeat it. You understand? Which part, like the major step.
Once more. Earlier, we have created absolute directory. That time we told what is that?
That is to create absolute, ADMK absolute. So I said you create absolute folder using that utility called ADMK. MK, make absolutely dot.
So in case of database upgrade from 9i to 10G, you will need to install complete new binary and then upgrade database.
Of course. You need to install never impossible. No, not possible. It's not possible. You need to install completely new 10G binaries in another location, another directory, and then you upgrade your database. and then your old binaries you have to out. That's it, remove. So this is the key concept what I have presented you. What is exactly the meaning of upgradation? There are some people who have really misconception about upgradation, like probably who didn't do that upgradation. Like, you know, current application I have, if I am applying some patches, then it is becoming 11i to R12. So no, it is not like that. You understand? Yes.
Standard PL is the event.
There is a PL SQL library, PLL extension, PLL. I can say that in most of the time 11i, all the custom code will be written in this file. So this is the file which mostly we migrate from 11i to R12.
Apart from application,
That is based on requirement.
Because we move the data.
Yes, same RDF. They will tell us. But this is like a common, like everybody knows this kind of. In 11i or in R12 also, if there is any custom PL SQL code is written, where it is written? This file, custom.pl. Apart from that, we don't know what are the forms have been customized. We don't know. We need to ask the business. We need to ask the functional guys. According to that, we have to migrate. And you think this upgradation is over? No, this is only technical upgradation. Our part is done. Now functional impact. I'm telling you, there's a major impact on functionality. A lot of functionality may break down. GL, or then functional consultant, we sit down and they build. So first in a test environment, you upgrade and you hand over to functional guys, and then they will spend time, lot of time, with individual model, GL, AP, AR, individual model. Our part is done, that's it. Technical upgradation. That's why you see why upgradation is taking 1 month, why upgradation is taking 3 months. Upgradation, oh, we can do this. No, because of the impact on the functionality. And to, you know, like for you people, upgradation is all about installation and applying patches and testing, right? Of course, you may be facing some issues, but this is the most easiest task among all the tasks, upgradation. The reason is because you will be having very sufficient time for upgradation. Nobody will ask you, okay, upgrade 11 to 12 by tomorrow evening. So nobody will tell you. They will give you at least 1 month time, isn't it? 1 month time where you can upgrade what? In 1 week also. Isn't it? 1 week. And generally, even if you see that, you know, this is also you must understand. Some people say that, you know, we have done upgradation of 11i to R12 by taking 2 months. We spend 2 months time, isn't it? It is not because of actually it is required 2 months. So generally, this consulting they do that. This is a consulting business actually, isn't it? So why you should understand this is not, isn't it? Suppose you visit a client place and you study their complete environment and all that, and then you say, oh, okay, how much time you are going to take for upgradation? You say that, okay, I'll do it in a week time. So, okay, take 4 weeks. You understand? Take 4 weeks. You say, I can do it in 1 week. So 1 week upgradation, 3 weeks what? Charting and these and that and that. 1 week halal, 3 week haram. Halal plus haram is equal to double haram. Double haram. This is going on in the industry, I'm telling you. No, I will not do in 3 weeks. Okay, next guy, charge this, isko terminate. There's another problem. Both means? Same thing. The first install R12 software. When you install R12 software, you get even RDBMS from there. After installing complete R12 software in upgrade mode, then you upgrade database first. After upgrading database, same steps at a time. But of course there will be more risk, more downtime, more testing, more. And then there may be issue coming from database, or there may be some issue coming from application. This is the safest and the best method.
Customer PL is AU link.
AU top. So actually no, if you are going for upgrading from 11i to release 12, say 12.11, then here you have to make sure that your AD minipack must be I and delta 6. This is the prerequisite. This is the prerequisite requirement. Prereq. You can upgrade 11i, but your AD mini pack must be i6. If you ask me, can I upgrade 11.5.9 directly to R12, that is 12.11? Yes, you can upgrade 12.11, but not directly, because 11.5.9 comes with ADH. So you have to upgrade your AD module to what? I and delta 6. Beginning of that is simple. So first you have to have your AD. What is the AD mini pack? I delta 6. Can I directly upgrade 11.10.2? That is this 11.5.10 to R12? Not even direct. This. Why? Even this comes with what? ADI. Okay, good. But delta 2. So what do you have to do here? Make it what? Make it 6 and then you can upgrade. Can we directly upgrade 11.5.9 or 11.5.10 to R? Yes. But make sure that you have ADI delta 6. This is also detailed steps when you are doing. You understand? You said already I have ADI 6. Okay, fine. Already ADI 6. Then no need. You can upgrade. Then whatever the steps we have discussed, same steps. Here we apply which patch? The big patch for upgradation, upgrade patch, right? Maintenance pack. Before you apply maintenance pack on R12 application, right? From R12 application we are applying. From R12 application we are applying maintenance pack. Before that, your AD must be here. You know what? 12 ADB or 12 ADA. That is according to this release. And then there are more prerequisites is also requirement. Okay. Minimum AD part is very important. And then ATG is also there. There is the ATG, but main AD. Main is AD. AD what? B. So on 11i, which patch you have to apply? I6. And R12, which patch you have to apply? ADB. So look at that. We are upgrading 11 to R12. So 11i we can upgrade to R12, but 11i must have ADI6 and R12 must have ADB. Or if you are upgrading to 12.0, then ADA. You know already we discussed. 12.0 means A, 12.1 means B. ADA or ADB. It should have. I think today you will be able to see only database part. Application, don't worry, I'll give you step by step, 1, 2, 3 steps we'll discuss all, and I'll give you Oracle document also step by step. You understand the concept first. So upgradation is not, you don't need to develop some extra skill set, isn't it? It's all about what? Installation and applying patches, isn't it? Install, apply patch, install patch. In which order to apply patches and what are the 4 steps you need to perform. Installation, patching, configuration. That's it. This is all about upgradation. And of course, this maintenance pack is going to give you a lot of trouble, lot of headache. And no doubt it is going to give you. No doubt it is going to give you. Okay. It's a big patch. It is going to take lots of time. And I have never seen it has run successfully in my lifetime. In my 15 years career. Never. Means you run it, success. Never. 100% error issues are. Just imagine, I have never seen I'm saying. So that means there are errors of it. Huh? सीख कुछ तो सीख रहे
then you have to execute it repeatedly.
No, actually when the patch is running, if there is an issue, you have to fix it, continue, fix it, continue, fix it, continue. No problem, you will be able to solve it. पूरे पूछ लूंगा पूरा करूंगा. Okay. Generally, as we discuss some of the issues, what we can, when we are applying patches, some troubleshooting, patch hanging from these, or it is throwing error, it is looking for some file, there is a bug. So you have to fix it and continue to fix it. And you see this, first you see, and then you will have an experience. But of course, you are going to spend 2-3 days. It has to run continuously. If you don't have good resources now, in single processor CPU, I think it is going to run at least minimum 3 days. You must have multiple processors. So actually, if you look at Oracle standard steps, Oracle standards or Oracle steps, standard steps, document steps are, first these are the steps are there. First, plan for an upgrade. Prepare for the upgrade. Upgrade to student. This will be taken by functional people. You need to plan for an upgrade. What is going to be the impact of upgrade, downtime, these risk, or how much customization we have, planning is required, your paperwork. And then here you have to prepare. In the preparation, you have to, install what? You need to upgrade first your database to what? Minimum 10 GB. Okay, minimum 10 GB. Prepare for the upgrade. So if you look at, this is just paperwork, right? Planning for an upgrade. So in this preparation for upgrade, there are two major steps of it. But if you look at that, somebody might be upgrading from 11.5.9 or somebody upgrading from 11.5.10 to 12.11, or somebody will be upgrading 12 direct, 12 to 12. You understand? It was 12, 0 to 12. So you think that for everybody same steps are required? Same time, same steps? Somebody upgrading from 12 to 12. They are already on 12.0. Say 6, 12.06. Now they want to upgrade to 12.1. Same? No, right? So Oracle has done one good job here. What are the steps you can skip, and particularly the functional steps also. What are the steps are not applicable to your environment? You can find out. For that, Oracle has developed a utility called AD comes utility. AD comes. It is called the upgrade manual step. The upgrade manual. This AD terms utility, it is in the form of a patch. We need to download the patch, you apply the patch, then it will give you a utility, AD terms utility. This is very simple, AD terms.sql. Before you start upgradation, you have to run AD terms. So then you know what steps can be skipped and all that. Then you must have to upgrade your database what? upgrade database to minimum what? 10G or 11. And you must install what? Install what software? R12 software. In which mode? Major steps. In upgradation, what you are doing? In upgradation, what you are doing? And I told you already, 11i should have which patch? AD I6. All three steps, these three steps. Here, upgrade. In upgrade means you have to apply upgrade patch. But before you apply upgrade patch, you must have to AD. So in next session we'll continue and we'll discuss more about this post upgrade also. I'll tell you more about one more time we'll discuss. I think today in practical you can see only database upgradation. There are detailed steps are there. So actually we are applying maintenance pack in which step? Upgrade. But I told you before you apply the maintenance pack, the upgrade patch, you have to make sure which patch you have to have AD, D. And which patch you must have on 11i AD, I6, Delta 6. Before you upgrade, your database must be 10G. But what we have done, actually we have done in different way. We follow two different phases. We have already upgraded database. When you have already upgraded database, then this doesn't apply. So this is not required, right? In post steps, there are a couple of main post steps is migrate, customization, also is there. You go through this all part and we'll have more discussion. So you see like so we are basically running that AD term studio, but that's a simple script. But mostly you will find it is all about we are doing installation, we are applying patches, installation and we are applying patches. AD I6 patch, R12 ADB, then apply. Suppose you have another thing problem. I'm saying that this maintenance pack is going to take lots of time. Again, you have to apply maintenance pack multiple times if you have multiple languages. So suppose you have got English, Arabic and German. So you have to first apply English patch and then you have to apply Arabic and German patch. You can apply how? Merging. By merging. So first you have to apply the base language patch and then LLS patch. Same patch you have to apply 2-3 times, you have to download because they are patches language dependent. Okay. So apply upgrade patch plus NLS also. Then you should understand. If you have got extra languages, you have to apply NLS patches. For each language, separate patch.
So the difference is the English patch.
Not necessary. What you download at the time of download, First is English patch. First is English. What comes with the software is English. Not necessary. The base can be your Arabic or German, anything. Whatever you select. If you apply English patch, that's the basic.
So NLS maintenance patches. NLS MPs.
NLS maintenance patches. So I think you can go through your database upgrade for part. And the document ID 396009, and I'll give you that document ID, which is giving you list of all the parameters and some more further discussion inshallah tomorrow. And also we have to look at then how to make it what 12.11 to 12.13. That is next part. We discussed up to 11.I to 12.11 and now 12.11 to 12.13, which is the latest current 12.13. So 12.13 inshallah next.
Prerequisite steps.